गोंय सारख्या माणकुल्या राज्याचे GST कॉम्पन्सेशन सेस थांबल्या उपरांत कितें जातले आनी आमी कशे तिगून उरतले हाचो म्हाका खूब भंय दिसता अशें GST कावन्सिल मेंबर आनी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन म्हटले. तशेंच ह्या विशीं चर्चा आनी विचार करून अधिकाऱ्यांनी तोडगो काडचो आनी ल्हान राज्याक त्रास जावचो ना हाचे खातीर उपाय काडचो अशी मागणी ताणें केंद्रीय मंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन हांचे कडेन केल्या.
And work together. As far as Goa is concerned, ma'am, you have, I remember at the 37th GST Council meeting, you were kind enough to even, I did it for the whole country and building tourism in the entire country. From 28 it became 18, which today the whole industry talks, though they had asked for 12%, they are still happy and tourism has been built up from there brick by brick. Today we can compare our rates with other places in the world. Today it is a very competitive world. We have to rise up to that occasion. And as far as Goa is concerned, ma'am, our compensation, though I should not say it here, will come to an end in July. A small state, we are damn afraid what will happen to us, how we will survive. Please bear with me. I hope, because I am saying it here,